Good morning, guys. So his hair is overall made with I rooted it with human hair. So this is the limb kit, but this is a smaller version of the limb that I want. I want the, how many inches is he? He's 28 inches. I want a big one. So I put the 100% human hair in his head in the back, this hair. And around the sides, I use this hair, the mohair, because I wanted to have that pretty baby fine around the front of his hair. So I do that. And yes, he's a boy, so I watch how I give him sideburns. I don't really want to give him all girly stuff. So you got to be careful with the boys, because you have the tendency to always kind of give them that girly look. So I don't want it to be too girly, but just give him some baby fine, but not, I'm trying not to have it so girly looking. So yes, this is the limb. He's a smaller version. So if you guys want to start out with a smaller limb just to get a feel of the kit, this one I got off eBay, and he was 40 bucks. And I believe he came from China. I believe it took me a while to get him. I believe he came from China. He didn't come quickly. I think I got him from China. So yeah, he came very, quick to be coming from China. But he's yeah, he came from China. So now what I'm just trying to do is spruce the curls back, because when you taking the hair and taking it through that process, it kind of take it out of his natural curl pattern. So I'm just trying now to put some leave-in conditioner in it to kind of get his curls to come back. But yes, this is a baby limb. So yeah, I wanted to show y'all his hair. And yeah, this one is with human hair. So I'm just trying to put some leave-in conditioner in it, and then I probably swoosh it around and run the water on it. I actually should put some real conditioner in it to bring those waves back. Yeah, bring those waves all the way back. Put some leave-in conditioner in it, then and take it and do a rinse on it. I mean, no, put conditioner in it, and then rinse it out. Because yeah, I'm trying to bring the curls back in his hair. Yeah, and I know this is pretty long for a newborn. Yeah, but sometimes I like them to kind of have a little longer hair. So yes, I finally realized what his name was. His name is Lim. So when I was showing you guys his kit the other day, I couldn't think of his name. So he is the Lim kit. So I got him for about 40 bucks, and he's a smaller version. So if you guys are looking for the big one, like I was looking for, that one is like 28 inches. So pay attention. So I kind of knew that this one, the big one, for $40. So the big ones run you about 80 to 100 unpainted. So yeah, he's let's see. This is the size he is. And he is, remember how we talked about it? He's got full limbs. So I like when they have the full limbs, because you could put them on the onesies like this versus when they don't. So hope that helped you guys. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye. Hi guys, another thing I wanted to bring to y'all attention, like for me, what I do, so you guys can do what you feel best for you. For me, because I feel that I am a beginner in a beginning stage, and I'm willing to put in the years of practice and work to become a much better artist. There's still a lot of things about the Reborn I don't understand. Like I say, some people are great where they know the names, they know everything. I feel like I'm a baby I'm a baby in progress, and I'm willing to learn, and I'm okay with taking the steps that I got to do to learn. So when I'm buying a kit, I look for a kit that has the head, the eyes, the body, the arms in one thing. I don't want to buy the arms and legs, then I gotta buy the body, then I gotta go buy the eyeballs, because a lot of times if you don't really know what you're doing, you'll buy eyeballs bigger than the actual kit. So to be on the safe side, when you just start out, put in Reborn full kit. That means you will have everything you need to reborn except for the hair, but it'll come with the eyes. If you got an open eye baby, it'll come with the body, it'll come with the limbs. So that's what I do, so that I can have everything without have to shop around and look for other stuff. Of course, you got to buy the stuffing, and you got to buy the glass beads and stuff like that to weigh the baby down. So with that, I go to Amazon to make it affordable. If you're going to get into a big business, they got a big old box of stuffing, and I think I paid $27, and that lasts me a long time. I got a big bag of stuffing. And then what I do, I go to Hobby Lobby and different stuff like that, and I get the craft sand, not sand from the beach, or if they have the fine glass beads or whatever at Harbor Flight, I get that. So stuff like that you guys can get. And one thing that I have not started doing yet, I have not purchased glass eyes yet, because the glass eyes sometimes be $25 to $30 just for the glass eyes. And with me being a new artist, it's not guaranteed that somebody is going to want to buy my work. It's not guaranteed that somebody is going to give me a certain amount of money for my work. So until I build to that, it's hard for me to put, going to get these expensive eyes, because then you will feel like I've been cheated. Like these people only want to give me this amount of money for my work and this, that, and that. So you keep your costs down. And if you got to sell your baby, you won't feel like you got cheated. So what I do, I don't order glass eyes. Y'all see this? See his eyes and lips? Look, glass. I buy a really expensive, I'm going to go get the bottle of top nail coat. Let me show y'all. I paid about $50 for it. I do my own nails, so. So I do my own nails. So this cost me about $60, and it lasts over and over again. So this is quick dry. Y'all see that? High gloss top coat. So that's what I use to make my eyes have that wet, like they're, by his nose. Y'all can see like his nose kind of got a wetness. His lips, look at his eyes. Them is them little cheap acrylic eyeballs. But I do this to him. I put a really expensive, not a cheap top coat. Not a cheap. So if you guys got a Sally's, go in there and get the top of the line top coat where have it looking wet. If you wind up getting a gel top coat, then you got to use a UV light over his eyes to cure him. So remember that if y'all doing a gel, y'all got to use that UV light, because if not, you're going to wonder why is his eyes feeling sticky, because you use a gel polish where you need to cure it with a UV light. This is not that. So I wanted to bring that to y'all attention. And this is my channel, is for those beginners that want to paint some reborns, want to learn some steps, want to get on there and do different stuff like that. This is for them. When his hair is wet, it's kind of spread apart. When it dries, it's gonna look 10 times better when it dries, because it be all spacey when it's. But I wanted to bring that to y'all attention, to let y'all know some cheaper alternative. And if you guys don't mind putting the glass eyeballs, now if you're putting the glass eyeballs in for your collection, I think that's fine. But it's like when you're taking something to sell, you got to put all that cost in there, and a lot of times you might not be able to get that. I don't know, so like I say, I'm still an artist in progress, and I'm still learning. I get up every day, I study. Yes, I study on YouTube. I watch artists, and I find stuff that work for me. So I hope that these little tips help help you guys to get started, and don't be afraid to try. Thanks, guys. Hope those tips helps. Bye.